Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are safe and sound. Children, again I am here with an interesting activity for you all in English. So let's start and let's see what is the new activity for you all. Dear students, the activity for today is to know what are homophones. Now, can you guess what are homophones? Now, let me tell you what are homophones. Homophones are the words which have same pronunciation but different meanings. So, let's see some of the examples of homophones and understand their meanings as well as their pronunciation. So children, the first example of homophones are there and there. Now see, the pronunciation for both the words are same but they have different meanings as well as different spellings, right? Now for the first there, THEIR. In Hindi we say unka, right? इस देयर का मतलब होता है बेटा उनका एंड द सेकेंड देयर THERE दैट मीन्स वहाँ. नाउ लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू विद एन एग्जाम्पल. THEIR दैट्स देयर प्रॉब्लम, वो उनकी प्रॉब्लम है. नाउ द सेकेंड वन इज THERE दैट मीन्स वहाँ. देयर इज द शॉप, वहाँ है वो शॉप. So this is a difference between there and there. Now children, the second example is here and here. Now you can see that the pronunciation is same but meanings as well as spellings are different. The first word, that is your here, HEAR, in Hindi we call it sunna. I can hear you. Now the second word is here, HERE. In Hindi its meaning is yahan. I am standing right here. So this is a difference. First here means sunna and the second one is here. That means yahan. You know, when you go through your Zoom classes, your teachers generally and continuously ask you, can you hear me? Can you hear me? That means, क्या आप मुझे सुन सकते हैं? The second one is here, HERE. That means yahan. I am standing right here. Now the third example is stare, stare. Now they have same pronunciation but different meanings as well as different spellings. Now the first stare, STAIR, in Hindi its meaning is Siri, right? I was taking the stairs. Now the second word is stare, that means घूरना. Stop staring at me. That means मुझे घूरना बंद करो, right? The first stair is सीढ़ी. I was taking the stairs. The second is stare means घूरना. Stop staring at me. Now the fourth example is waste and the second one is waste. Now can you see again same pronunciation but different spellings and different meanings. The first waste means bekar. The second one is waste, that means kamar. Now for the first one waste, what a waste of time, right? The second one is kamar. She had a blue dress but the waist did not fit well, right? So this is a difference between the both waste. WASTE means bekar and WAIST means kamar. Last but not the least, the last example is your sale and sale. The first sale is bechna. In Hindi we call it bechna, SALE. Now the second sale, SAIL, sale means pani ki yatra, right? Jal yatra. Now for the first sale, we say sales are down nowadays. Now the second example for the same SALE sale is this for sale? क्या ये बेचने के लिए है? The second one SAIL, sale means Jal Yatra. The example for the same is Tom sailed across the ocean in 5 days. Tom sailed across the ocean in 5 days. So, children, like I have given you some of the examples of homophones, there are many more homophones. For example, male, M-A-I-L, male, M-A-L-E, male. First male means chitti, second means man. There are many more examples. For example, write, W-R-I-T-E, write, that means to write down something. R-I-G-H-T, write, that means you are absolutely right and this is my right hand. Is that clear? So there are many more examples. Now this is a homework for you, that you are going to find out some of the homophones and going to share it with me. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you all have enjoyed it.